Introducing the Tires for Retread feature in FleetOnGo. Click on Vehicle and go to Tire and navigate to Sent for Retread. Initiate the retreading process. I want to send this tire ID for retread. Click here to see tire history date-wise. You will see tire history date-wise. Finalizing the sending action ensures your tire enters the retreading workflow. Select the vendor from the drop-down list, choose the date, and click Send. Access the Received from Retread section to review tires that have completed the retreading process. Begin the process of integrating newly retreaded tires back into your fleet. Select the vendor whom you sent for the retread time. Select the date corresponding to the tire receipt for precise tracking. Enter invoice details to ensure proper tracking and accountability. Select the specific tire to ensure accurate entry of retreaded stock. Add any additional information or tires to enhance your records. Finalize the process to ensure all changes and updates are securely stored. This guide will help you understand how to send tires for retreading and how to record their return after retreading. Thank you.